Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying system compatibility and picking your app. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, download the installer for Wallpaper Engine or Lively and run it as administrator so services can register. Make sure to close other full-screen apps and disable major antivirus prompts temporarily to avoid blocked files. You're doing this now because granting permissions at install ensures the wallpaper can access GPU acceleration and auto start. This is essential for smooth performance and proper integration with the Windows shell. Now open the Live Wallpaper app and import a wallpaper or choose from the gallery so you can test visuals immediately. Once imported, tweak playback options, frame rate, pause on battery, and GPU usage, because balancing visuals versus performance keeps your machine responsive. If you have multiple monitors, map wallpapers to displays and use crop or stretch options to match aspect ratios. Make sure to save the configuration as a profile and enable auto start, so your chosen wallpaper loads after reboot. Finally, verify the wallpaper persists by restarting and checking the Task Manager Startup tab so it runs automatically. If you encounter a black screen or stuttering, update GPU drivers and set the wallpaper process to higher priority. This often resolves resource conflicts. Make sure integrated overlays or game mode aren't forcing full-screen optimizations off. If problems continue, test a basic video wallpaper to isolate whether the issue is the file, codec, or app settings. That narrows troubleshooting quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.